Friends, find the value of square root 120 plus square root 100 divided by square root 120 minus square root 100. Let's start solution. Let s equal to square root 120 plus square root 100 divided by square root 120 minus square root 100. Now s equal to, we can write this as 10 times 12, which is equal to 120 plus 10 times 10 divided by 10 times 12 minus, we can write this as 10 times 10. Next, s equal to, we can write this as square root 10 square root 12 plus square root 10 times square root 10 over square root 10 times square root 12 minus square root 10 times square root 10 by taking highest common, that is s is equal to square root 10, lifting term is square root 12 plus square root 10 over, here highest common is square root 10, lifting term is square root 12 minus square root 10. Here s equal to, cancelling the like term, lifting term is square root 12 plus square root 10 over square root 12 minus square root 10. Now s is equal to, we can write this as 4 times 3 plus, we can write this as 5 times 2 divided by, we can write this as 4 times 3 minus square root 5 times 2. Next, s equal to, we can write this as 4 square root 4 square root 3 plus square root 5 into square root 2 divided by square root 4 square root 3 minus square root 5 square root 2. Now as this become 2 under root 3 plus under root 5 under root 2. Here square root 4 is equal to 2. Now divided by 2 under root 3 minus under root 5 under root 2. Now we can write this 2 as square root 2 square root 2. Now this become s equal to square root 2 square root 2 square root 3 plus under root 5 under root 2 over, we can write 2 as square root 2 square root 2 into square root 3 minus square root 5 square root 2. Now s equal to, by taking highest common, that is square root 2, and lifting term is square root 2 times square root 3 plus square root 5 into divided by, here highest common is square root 2 and lifting term is square root 2 square root 3 minus this become square root 5. Now s equal to, here this become under root 2 under root 3 plus under root 5 over under root 2 under root 3 minus under root 5. S equal to, we can write this as square root 2 times 3 plus under root 5. Here square root 2 times 3 minus square root 5. Now this become s is equal to square root 6 plus square root 5 over square root 6 minus under root 5. Now by multiplying and dividing by its conjugate, so here conjugate of square root 6 minus square root 5 is square root 6 plus square root 5. So this become s is equal to square root 6 plus square root 5 over square root 6 minus square root 5 into square root 6 plus square root 5 over square root 6 minus here plus square root 5. Now s is equal to square root 6 plus square root 5 into square root 6 plus square root 5 over square root 6 minus square root 5 into square root 6 plus square root 5. Now a power m a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Also a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here this is a, this is b. Here this is a, this is b. So a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. And here a power 1, a power m, a power n. So this become a power m plus n. So this become s is equal to square root 6 plus square root 5 whole to the power 2 divided by, this become square root 6 whole square minus square root 5 whole square, as a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Here a equal to under root 6 and b is equal to under root 5. So this become s is equal to square root 6 a square plus b square plus 2 a b over, here this will be cancelled, 6 minus this will be cancelled, the lifting term is 5. So s equal to, this will be cancelled, 6 plus 5 plus 2, we can write this as 6 times 5 over 1. Now s is equal to 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2 square root 6 times 5 become 30. This is our final answer.